we brought back the grandness of the Grand Concourse.
Phase 3 in the reconstruction of the Grand Concourse is completed. New York City's elected officials and departments of transportation, design and construction, and environmental protection celebrated the completion with a ribbon cutting.
We're here to celebrate the completion of Phase 3 of the Grand Concourse Rehabilitation Project.
The $26 million project renewed 8 blocks from 171st Street to 175th on the Grand Concourse. Bronxites traveling on the concourse will now see safety enhancements that include the rebuilding of new roadways, bike lanes, sidewalks, and enhanced street lighting. Director of Organizing for Transportation Alternatives, Ruben explains the new adjustments will decrease the amount of fatalities on the concourse.
The Grand Concourse has had implementation of street safety improvements such as better crosswalks, wider pedestrian islands, a bike lane that is in the median side of the Grand Concourse, and other safety measures to ensure that to decrease the amount of fatalities and injuries in the Grand Concourse.
The newly designed street is part of a series of phases towards the rehabilitation of the 5.2-mile-long Grand Concourse. Joined by Bronx Borough President Ruben Diaz Jr. and Councilmember Vanessa Gibson, Phase 3 serves as a breakthrough for elected officials working towards upgrading this area of the Bronx.
I remember when Phase 1 started down at 167th Street. I remember when it continued through Phase 2, and now to see the completion of Phase 3 is really a testament of all of the hard work and the commitment of our city and state officials.
As Bronx Borough President Ruben Diaz Jr. approaches his last year in office, he expressed hope that his predecessor will continue to provide and work towards safety enhancement projects throughout the Bronx.
Hopefully the next borough president can now continue to invest in this, since my election is my last year, and we still have to go all the way down to Bedford Park or Mashulu Parkway. Hopefully the next borough president, the next city council, and the next city administration can get the job done and finish it.
The city is currently working on Phase 4 of the reconstruction of the Grand Concourse, starting from 175th Street to Fordham Road. The project is anticipated to reach completion in summer 2023. Reporting for BronxNet, Kib and Aline.